Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1955 Chevy Custom. Very nice, especially with the black on black. Of course, as you can see, it's black on the outside, has the US mag chrome wheels on it to give it more of a cooler approach. Going on to the inside now, as you can see, we have the old-fashioned Chevy wheel. Pretty much I can control with my fingertips. Other than that, you got the 4-speed manual, you got the old school cluster, old school AM radio with a FM Pioneer radio in the glove box. Other than that, as you can see, they added 3 Napa style gauges which do work. We are technically running at 190, which is an appropriate temperature for this kind of car. Other than that, underneath the hood, you got that nice 350 crate motor. Runs pretty smooth, pretty healthy. Other than that, for now, we can give you a little bit of a brake test, see how she stops as well as she goes. Pretty good. And other than that, the clutch is pretty well also. A little hesitant there, but yet again, every car is different, and you must never judge a car unless it is an ugly Tesla. But other than that, now we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.